In this video, we will show you how to create a Lenovo ID. You will need a Lenovo account to manage your Lenovo devices, shop online, speak with customer service, and much more. First, go to support.lenovo.com. You will see the My Account button in the top right corner. Click the button and select Register. On the registration page, you will need to enter your email address, which will be your Lenovo ID. Enter your first and last name in the boxes below and create your password. In the slider captcha, drag the slider to the specific location. Read the terms of use and privacy policy and then click the Next button. Check your email for the verification. After you click the link, your account will be set up. An alternative method to create a Lenovo ID is to click Facebook, Google, Live ID, or Moto ID on the sign-in page. If you use this option, your Lenovo account will be created using your credentials from the chosen site. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.